Hello, hello. How are you all? Ceacha Gulch ver fad. Thomas Arash, Arishai, Thank Focus Friday. Yay! Tasha Intach of Arash, it's absolutely wonderful to be back here and through Rang and Charlie Kegla. I guess a couple of spectator and showing version. all the way from America. We've got Tim, the two Jasons, and we've got Mike.
They're not actually in America, though.
yeah. So we're doing this live from America. It's half America, half Ireland over here. No, but we're looking forward to that. It's a bit different. Sorry for the delay, by the way. I think we're 25 minutes late, or so, because just we're getting set up in a new setup. And trying to get it going, and it did, of course, start to rain as well, which doesn't help things, especially when we have all our equipment out here. We're trying to get things going. So tonight's going to be a little bit different. We've got all three of us together. We're going to try and get through as many comments as possible. I'm going to log in on my phone here maybe and have a look as well.
You would log into YouTube on your phone, because when you do it on Restream, you don't get the comments on your phone.
Oh, do you not?
No.
All right, there you go.
Tried it last week. Or the week before.
But should we start off with an old song now anyway, I suppose, first and foremost.
If they're getting any problems with sound, throw it into the comments, preferably on YouTube maybe. We'll be able to see them there.
Yeah, wherever, yeah. Throw them in if you think there should be any difference with sound or anything like that, because again, we're fairly just going for it.
We're winging it. Big shout out to Davey Holden on the desk there, sorting sound for us. The best looking sound engineer in all of Kilkenny.
In all of Keith's backyard.
You are the best looking sound engineer that I've seen in the last 20 minutes.
Right, we'll go for it. So to start off with.
Hey, do, three, car.
Flying o'er the sea, my guitar and me, 40,000 feet. Voice of God, what a brilliant feat. Go west, don't go east, for a famine or a feast. We're treated better there, and the homeless one is red. Feel the city's alone. The apple of my eye, oh, I cherish her. And everybody's there from all across the earth, tongues and tribes galore, and there isn't any war. Feel the city's alone. Oh, I cherish her. New York, New York, I'm coming. New York, New York, I'm coming. New York, New York, I'm coming. New York, feel the city's alone. The apple of my eye, I cherish her.
Who?
Oh, Jenny Mac. It's one of those days. It's one of those days, lads, where we're just trying to get things going, and the voice is a bit shot, and the rain starts pouring down. But these are my favourite days. These are my favourite days. This is one where you're put under a bit of pressure and you have to try and come through. So
The ad hoc days.
the ad hoc days.
I'm going to go up and read some comments. You guys want to do another song?
Yeah, what would you like to do?
I'm easy.
What can we do? We can do something random. What's a bit random one?
Do one of those Cradle of Filth ones.
Flipping deadly. What I could do, maybe, let's see. Could do a kind of a slowy type one, maybe as well.
I'm happy to noodle away on this thing.
In the key of A, maybe.
A major.
Yeah. So this song, this whole show is gone.
I don't want to brag, but
a little more Kev.
It's from a user called Totally Not Kev.
Yeah, so no, we're gonna be having this all the time, lads, because it's a bit of a trickier setup today than it usually is. So do forgive us, but we're enjoying ourselves, and that's the most important thing, really. This next song is a song written by a man by the name of Eric Bogle. I played it once or twice here. You might know another one of his songs. He wrote a song by the name of The Green Fields of France, originally titled No Man's Land, about World War One and how the Irish took part in World War One too. But this one then is about how World War One affected the Australian people. Eric Bogle lived in Australia for many years, and he had a great affinity to the Australian people. He was a Scotsman himself. There seems to be a huge influence of Scottish people on the Australian music scene between himself and Jimmy Barnes and AC/DC and everything like that. So this is another one. This is another Scot Aussie great, and this song is called "The Band Played Waltzing Matilda." So for any Aussies listening out there, this one is free. When I was a young man, I carried me pack, and I lived the free life of the rover. From the Murray's green basin to the dusty outback, I waltzed my Matilda all over. Then in 1915, my country said, son, it's time to stop rambling. There's work to be done. So they gave me a tin hat, they gave me a gun, and they sent me away to the war. And the band played Waltzing Matilda when the ship pulled away from the quay. Amid all the tears, the flag a-waving and cheers, we sailed off for Gallipoli. And well I remember that terrible day when our blood stained the sand and the water, and how in that hell they call Suvla Bay we were butchered like lambs to the slaughter. Well, Johnny Turk, he was ready, and he primed himself well. He rained us with bullets, and he showered us with shell. And in 5 minutes flat, we were all blown to hell. He nearly blew us back home to Australia. And the band played Waltzing Matilda when we stopped to bury our slain. We buried ours, and the Turks buried theirs. Then we started all over again. Oh, those that were living just tried to survive in that mad world of blood, death and fire. For 10 weary weeks I kept myself alive, while around me the corpses piled higher. Then a big Turkish shell knocked me arse overhead, and when I awoke in my hospital bed and saw what had been done, well, I wish I were dead. I never knew there were worse things than dying. For no more I'll go waltzing Matilda all around the green bush far and near. For to hump tent and pegs a man needs both legs. No more waltzing Matilda for me. Well, they collected the wounded, the crippled, the maimed, and they shipped us back home to Australia. The armless, the legless, the blind, the insane, those proud wounded heroes of Suvla. And when the ship pulled into Circular Quay, I looked at the place where my legs used to be, and thank Christ there was no one waiting for me to grieve and to mourn and to pity. And the band played Waltzing Matilda when they carried us down the gangway. Well, nobody cheered, they just stood there and stared, and they turned all their faces away. And now, every April, I sit on my porch and I watch the parade pass before me. I see my old comrades, how proudly they march, renewing their dreams of past glories. I see all the old men, all tired, stiff and worn, those weary old heroes of a forgotten war. And the young people ask, what are they fighting for? And I ask myself the same question. And the band plays Waltzing Matilda, and the old men still answer the call. But year after year, the numbers get fewer. Someday no one will march there at all. Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, you come waltzing Matilda with me, and the ghosts may be heard as they march by the billabong. Who come waltzing Matilda with me. Nice little loud number there for me. Well, that was lovely on the old man though.
Thank you.
I like that, yeah, it was nice. First
Very
time.
much figuring it out as I went.
Yeah, that's what it's all about,
It's a pretty sad song, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a class one. I suppose he was a two-hit wonder, like, as in people say like the best ever World War I song, and it's up there between two, really. And it was Eric Bogle who wrote both of them, you know. Like, so there, he did it. He did it once and did it twice. But
Makes
fair
you
play to
think
him.
when you listen to the lyrics of war songs like that, how unbelievably lucky we are to live in the time that we and the country, I suppose, that we're currently.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the longest time I think. It's like it's funny that people in Europe haven't really. Well, people certainly in Western Europe haven't experienced war. There's not many
Yeah.
people left
Yeah,
who have
sure.
experienced war, or there's certainly no leaders in Europe that have experienced war, which is a great thing, I suppose, in many senses. But in one sense, we hope we don't lose sight of the reason that we're closely linked, and we lose sight of all that. But we won't go down that route.
No.
That's a conversation for a different day.
I've got a way of
Forward
lightening the mood.
Mm.
I got a new toy.
I can see what it is.
Ah,
All right,
don't
while you're
know.
doing that, I'm going to try and alter the camera slightly so we have more Kev.
So I'm not.
Basically.
cool.
Davey can do it. Look, Davey's gonna do it there now.
I don't know why, but when you said that, the first thing I thought was confetti. That you had
There's
confetti.
a reason we don't have more Kev. We can lose that. I'd say just lose it, Steph. Yep. So,
Not going
guys, it's unbelievable at this point how we don't have a Guinness sponsorship. But I'm just going to go ahead and do the ad anyway.
By the way, any Guinness execs that may be tuning in,
If anyone knows anyone working for Diageo and could get us some free Guinness, that'd be fantastic.
let us tell you what we can do for your
I mean,
brand.
we did. Someone got us like some free beer in Seattle, but the only problem is they couldn't post it to Ireland. They were fully up for giving us some free beer, so next time we're in the States, we'll definitely take you up on that. But until then, I'm going to do a Guinness ad in the hope that Guinness will give us some free Guinness. They brought out these nifty little things, little pourer, and it's essentially supposed to give you the pub pint from a can. So I'm going to give it a go now. But you have to buy special cans. They're like nitro cans, so mini nitro surger. Steve, I think this is something I'm surprised you don't have already. I will. So 1 second. Like, you have to charge it. Like, it's a proper
USB charged device.
yeah, you have to.
I never thought you needed a USB cable to
So-
So, do you want to go for a few cans of Guinness? I'm sorry, my thing is dead.
Sorry,
I forgot to plug it in last night.
So you turn it on. I don't know if anyone can see that, but we've got a glowing harp on the top. And then you just go for it.
I'm going to serenade this because it's just so beautiful.
Someone's letting off some fireworks, not guns. And then I don't know if you can hear this, but it makes ripples pulsing.
Well, they definitely won't hear it, but keep saying the man.
That's the great thing about microphones.
Can you hear that, can you? Can you hear the Guinness? Can you hear the really
Can you
subtle
not hear
pour?
that?
It's like a mandolin. But that's the Guinness I love.
What is that?
So just
Oh,
leave
it's
it, and it's gonna settle the same as a normal pint. I'll come up and show everybody.
This is real show and tell, isn't it? This is one I made at home.
Oh yeah.
Baby, baby.
Baby. That does look great. That does look like an ad.
People are wondering what I'm saying. I wonder, can they hear me?
We just realised that once you move away from the microphone, nobody can hear you.
So, I don't know if anyone can hear me, but I'm pouring Guinness. That's the gist of it. We have to leave that settle. Will we do a quick tune or something while we leave that
Yeah,
settle?
let's do some tunes.
Do you have any
Let's
Guinness
do it.
related songs? No.
Or how about we do like a reel or a jig or something?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Those are all indirectly
Um,
Guinness related, I suppose.
Yeah, sure.
Sing, Kev. I just remembered how sore it is to play tunes on the mandolin.
A minor, sorry, A minor G, isn't it?
Just haven't played this in a while. Just want to give you 2 seconds there.
Yeah, because just mandolin
Stefan's
backing
no tune up.
isn't gonna
Well,
sound
I'll
fantastic.
finish my pint of Guinness then. Well,
Indeed.
finish pouring it, then I'll drink it. Well, sure, we can play the first tune if you want to join in then, Stephen. You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
2, 3,
not used to playing. Not used to
Well,
playing
is the
that
Guinness
method.
set?
I think the Guinness has set. I don't know if people can hear me still, but anyway.
All right, let's go. Filler.
Final pour for the Guinness. You might go through this.
Oh, bloody awesome. There he is. He's got his can ready to go.
I feel like
Once it focuses. And here we go for the final pour. Let's see how this goes.
it looks amazing.
Is it going to be perfect? Is it going to be below perfect? There's only one way to find out. And it's right here, right now. Live. From the backyard. It's slightly below perfect, maybe.
Looks pretty good to me.
But I mean, it's as good as you're going to get from a can. And I think that is undisputable.
But I think in making this, they're trying to get rid of phrases like "as good as it's going to be from a can," aren't they? They're trying to replicate the real deal.
Yeah, well then they're going to have to try harder.
Yeah, you didn't just get a sponsorship from Guinness or Diageo in a secret.
I mean, the
just to mention to
meniscus on
us.
that is fantastic.
It's so the domed head is the whole idea.
Yeah, the meniscus, it's just...
Could you please present to our panel of judges over here, please?
It does look good, I will say. It does look good. It
That'd be
does.
fantastic.
Yay or nay, everybody?
Did-
I say yay. Yeah, we got a yay from Tim.
We're hiding the branding in the hope that they'll give us a sponsorship.
It's either a pint of Ribena or Guinness. Oh, this has gone very out of tune.
I'd be very worried if this was a pint of Ribena.
I'll do now a bit of tune
So
in
well.
here.
That's the pint of Guinness. Everyone in the comments get on to Diageo and Guinness and get us some sponsorship.
Tell them the guys love Guinness.
The only people that you should have representing you is Shulim.
What can we do now that we're all
Actually ready.
together? That we haven't done in a while.
Don't mind doing a bit of Marcus stuff.
Yeah, I'd actually love that.
Quid Marcus. Kritiapa.
What a goss. Is that a bit hectic? Or no, do you know what it is? Side chalet, yeah. It's some ways.
You just haven't played this in a long time on the mandolin. Or at all, actually.
Kate start.
Right.
Take over the
It is a B minor. It's in the glace A.
Shinin Ganoglis. Miha.
It's the glace of rhythmization or YouTube.
Oh dear. Usher, go on, Vineyards.
1, 2, 3. Am frische Riest Ik moest geen staf is gaan en tellen schaar ik breng nog rie Is dan ook maar lauw en lof Ska weten in mijn gulle vrouw om boelers als kind te mogen Is zo niet Agen sail chalet Wie me goed terschach in je En is je zolde me veilig Achter stil toe Je me goed later dan mee Die kun je kaas als je mee Is langzaam hier Trust new time On Grealish and win young talking to Maggie Cricket is long It's not time sheer me Ik trouw along Shed on my cassidy's At a more thorough It's so near Schach in je En is je zo van me vader Achter stier toe Je bent gewoon kaso shirmei Islam samokil Nikhwelyo kaso shirmei Islam samokil Soleil, lieber Hotel Schachenier, and it's just so I'm a fire. Ach, das still too, lieber Hotel Lovely, wir können noch kein Schirr mehr, it's langsam okay. We got to do the stop again. Yeah, the stop sounds a little bit more impressive when there's a few of us doing it, really, doesn't it? Yeah, Shajani, we got any comments there? Mike, I'll have a look at a few of the comments.
Check your phone.
Or just YouTube, maybe, actually, yeah, maybe.
If you go onto YouTube, just make sure you're muted, because otherwise we'll get mad feedback.
yeah. I'll keep her muted. So you did log into YouTube. So how are you all getting on? Let us know where you're all listening in from. And if there's anything, if you have any comments or anything like that, or any requests or anything that you'd like to hear us play, let's have a look and see. All right, here we go. Here's the comments here now. I did send a message to Guinness on your behalf. Thank you very much, Rebecca. No better woman.
To be fair, Rebecca's followed up on any request we've made. In terms of branding, like it's like, could you get these people to, maybe show a bit of interest in us? Yeah, no problem.
Liam Jake is saying a bit more accordion volume, but maybe that's an old one. It's from about 10 minutes ago. A beautiful pour, Kev, says Alan Kelly. Oh. So, yeah, Alan Kelly approves of that Guinness.
I think Alan's given me a bit more credit than I deserve. It tastes good, but didn't look amazing.
I had a can of Guinness earlier this week when I was in, believe it or not, Copperberg. There you go, Stefan. Stefan Schweid. He was in Copperberg and he decided to have a Guinness. Well, I was in Guinness the other day and had a Copperberg. Not sure.
I'm assuming that's where Copperberg. It has to be where Copperberg comes from. The cider.
Sweden.
The cider.
Yeah. Yeah, I'd say so. Yeah. No. Yeah. Well, surely. Like, I mean, I'm assuming it's a Swedish cider then. Stefan, if you're ready to answer the question, we're assuming here that Copperberg the cider comes from Copperberg.
With a name like Stefan is definitely Swedish, but then you're Stefan.
Yeah, but people always go, is that French? Is that German? Is that Swedish? Is that Polish? Is that like?
No, it's Irish.
Yeah, close enough. But I see Corey McLean has an emoji there where it's just the heart eyes. So I love that emoji. Thanks for in, Corey. It's just my favourite emoji. So we're here in Kilkenny. People ask where we are. We're in Kilkenny here, in the back garden. We were ready to go pretty much, and then of course it started to rain. So we were like humming and hawing whether we move all inside or whether we keep it going out here. But we decided to hold true, and it's held off for now. So if at some point you see us frantically trying to run away and do something else, then that's probably because of that. It's probably because of the rain. But hopefully we can go for as long as we can. In the meantime, I think I might sing I'll sing a traditional song actually for something a little bit different. Cén ceanna meastan Costugan, right? Costugan, right? So should count everyone Casa and Tugan. Apologies for the old vocalatos, they're struggling a bit. Do casu calindas Ram in weakness na dra Lu up na colles glishud Ever She on fragid along she long Go cuna guscutla Tauden seal na galla Spagamish on sushimba Sma vientulam Bilom Astorina chri Sma vientulam bilam oscorti Sma vientulam skerlam Gahaur luchtet chri Shema vila kruk Nachlam de duna tu marvri Lo da vise shal Imwa chole dram varri Lo da vise shal Agus imero en kort lemri O de vise shalisti miron ku ignu free Legonyarnan vancha longo lungo free Ma vintulam bilom Story nechri Sma vientulam bilam oscorti Sma vientulam skerlam Gachaurloch tedchri Shema vila krok Nachlam de duna tu marfri Ma vientulam bilam Astori nechri Sma vientulam bilam oscorti Sma vientulam skerlam Gachaurloch tedchri Shema vila krok Nachlam de du Na tu marfri Hi. Come on, great. There's been that Casa and Tugan, so our running jazz, an old traditional song there. So, yeah. Well, how are you getting on, lads? Anyway, I know we probably the people at home probably won't be able to hear without the microphones, but how are things? How's your stay been in Ireland for now? Too short. Tim is a regular contributor there to our comment section and to Thank Folk It's Friday / Thank Folk It's Thursday.
Yeah, if you're wondering why Tim isn't commenting, it's because he's here. Right, live in the moment, Tim.
Great to have you here, boys.
So Tim is saying that he's trying to comment at the same time, but he just prefers to just watch, which is very understandable. I'd be the very exact same in a similar circumstance.
I don't know, I don't know how sensitive or not sensitive these mics are.
Yeah,
So I don't know
I've
if you can hear it, but the guys are making lots of noise there. It's it's our first. I suppose this is technically our first live gig in 19 months in terms of like not
I'd say
live,
that,
but
yeah.
like we've done live
yeah,
online.
definitely it is. Yeah,
But this is our
yeah.
first live audience in,
Yes.
in 2
Yeah.
months. So here we go.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
thanks, guys.
Yeah, thanks for being.
I have a request for a song.
Yeah,
Can we play our Sky Kira?
Yeah, of course.
we can, of course.
Of course we can.
We played about 4 keys lower than we usually do. So I'm going to struggle with this, but shall we give it a go?
I think we should do it in the original key.
G.
Yes, yeah, the
Not
original.
Please.
Suffering Bill's character.
Lots of makes bad songs.
And that too, Bill's character.
Right.
Every now and again, right, during the song, right, I'm just not going to say that. I'm just going to throw in a random chord.
Do.
Okay?
That's fine.
No,
for me.
it's going to work.
It's a problem for
it's
Keith,
go-
not for me.
No, it's not. No, it's not going to be a problem. It's not going to be a problem because it's going to be within the same like frame, right? I'm just
Okay,
going to do it.
go for it.
Right. Maybe I won't. So just a quick one about this song. For people who don't know, this is our Ska Hale. It's the first song we ever wrote as a band together.
It's true.
And funnily enough, we wrote it while we were in Uganda, in Africa, not too far from the Victoria River. We were
Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria.
Nile
sorry,
River.
excuse me. There is a Victoria River, but it's in
River
Zambia,
Nile, you might even
and
say.
it's on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe. No, it's not. This Victoria Falls on the Zambezi River, which borders Zambia and Zimbabwe.
You're
So if
wrong,
anyone's
that's what
listening
you're
from Zambia and Zimbabwe, sorry for calling the Zambezi
okay,
River the
oh,
Victoria River.
saying. Sorry for all our Zambian listeners out there.
So many fireworks.
But no, so we wrote this in Uganda many moons ago. It was just when we had just formed as a group. I suppose we've been working together, kind of translating Irish songs for a long time, and we decided that we'd put together a bit of a group. We all played just enough instruments, just about enough instruments to be able to put together a band. Some of us had to change. Keith was our full-time djembe player for a while. Then he kind of changed back onto the guitar, then back onto the bass. When we first started, there was 6 guitar players and half an accordion player, or should I say, 1 accordion player.
The reason
and
it was half an
yeah.
accordion player was just we were always in a pub.
yeah.
There was a brief spell where I did a bit of whistle, but we won't talk about that.
We tried to forget about those
If you
things.
want to hear it, just listen to the album.
But so we this is kind of in the very early days of the group. We went to Uganda with a charity called Self Help Africa, and a man in particular named Ronan Scully, who does an awful lot of work for the people of Uganda and many other countries, Malawi and Zambia and over in Ethiopia, over in Africa. So we Girth to Self Help Africa or selfhelpafrica.org. If you look them up, you'll find out loads of what they do. Fantastic organisation. We went over there and had a look firsthand at what they did, and we wrote a song as well for the organisation too. So this is called Erska Chela, which means it comes from the Irish language phrase Erska Chela Waranadina, which means together we prosper. And in the middle of the song we have a little bit of the Lugandan language as well. So which says Kwe gata bwe bugumu. Kwe gata bwe bugumu, which we've had confirmed and affirmed since. So in 2013, like, we went out, and when you're going out to Uganda, you look up.
Yourself.
You look up.
Go
You
out to
look up.
Uganda.
First thing you do is you look up what language they speak out there, and I looked it up and it came back as Swahili. So I was like, oh, grand, okay. So I met a fella from Tanzania who was able to tell me how to say "together we are strong" in Swahili. And I still remember it. This is back in 2013. Now I still remember it. It was "Umuya ni nguvu, umugatu ni udefu," which means "together we are stronger, divided we fall," or some similar, like basically that in Swahili. So I went out thinking, unbelievable. I've learnt off this phrase. I'm going to impress all the Ugandans. We go to a town called Kayunga in about a 2-hour drive, would you say, from Kampala? And
It's like a 6-hour drive. It's actually a horrific drive.
was it? When you're remembering things, you only remember the good things. But but it was a lovely drive. We all really enjoyed the drive.
Bad things.
The roads were lovely, weren't they?
I fell asleep on the way back to Kampala, and I fell asleep and my legs were so cramped that they went completely dead. I got such a fright when I woke up. Because we're in Africa, I thought I got bitten by a rat snake or something.
but
My mind went.
yeah. But so we landed in Kayunga and we were writing the song, and I got talking to one of the guys and I was like, oh, I have this phrase, I just want you to check pronunciation and make sure I'm saying it the right way. And I told him Umuyani Nguvu Umagatuni Odefu, and he looked at me kind of going, that's not our language. Our language is Lugandan. And I was like, oh God, sorry about that. So he said Swahili is the official language, but
It's
they
the
don't
official
speak
language
it.
of like the East African
Yeah.
Union of countries.
I
like.
think
Yeah.
it's used mostly for language of
Kinda what
commerce
it's called.
as well, isn't it?
Yeah, in Uganda, and then it's like the official languages of a load of different countries in East, like Tanzania would be a big
Yeah.
one and stuff like that. But in Uganda, the main language is Lugandan, which comes from the main tribe, the Bugandan tribe, which is in Uganda. So obviously, when they were naming things, they just decided to call everything
Put
a
another
variation
sound
of Uganda.
Uganda.
But so we learned it was Kwegata Bwe Bugumu, and 2 years ago we were playing the song in Iowa, of all places, in Waterloo, a beautiful, beautiful town in Iowa in the Midwest. And we were playing the song, we were explaining the story as we usually do. And who happens to be in the crowd but a woman from Uganda, from Kampala. And she's married to one of the organisers of the Irish Festival. So we got to talking to her afterwards, and she said, "Yeah, the pronunciation is grand, but the dancing that we tried to do was absolutely awful." So during the next show, she came up and she did like the traditional Ugandan dance or Lugandan dance while we sang the song. It was it was a fantastic moment for
Also,
us.
congratulate them on their first child.
Yes, congratulations
yeah.
to Violet and to Trent on their first child as well. So
Gorgeous.
I'm not sure they're listening right now. It's probably
They might be.
maybe there, but if you are Violet and Trent, this is for you.
Thanks for letting me drive the digger truck.
And a big shout out to Iowa Irish Fest in general.
Yeah,
Well
yeah.
read.
Fantastic people and a fantastic festival. Now I just hope I don't rush it. Lima, hade fläktarna,
Painty one, Tarvis the killer.
Shulashli, taking a daylight.
Oh, love is fader, ain't you a jäger?
Oh, 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 Sky hela, vi är greina. Sky hela, vi är greina. Sky hela, vi är greina. Sky hela, vi pratar spelen. Tipp, ek vol om sig for.
Douse is free, I got her for
Creole, Montana, McGonny.
I'll be a bit more, he's still in the bus.
Right. So this is the Lugandan bit that we're going to go for, right? So we slow it right down. So if people at home are listening, you can try and join in. And we get you guys to join in too, all right? So it goes like this, okay? Kwe gata bwebugumu. Kwe gata bwebugumu. Kwe gata bwebugumu.
See you, boys.
Kwe gata bwebugumu. Kwe gata bwebugumu. Tim's giving up already. Kwe gata bwebugumu. Get some more of them into it. Kwe gata bwebugumu. Before he becomes about perfectly fluent in Lugandan. Kwe gata bwebugumu. 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 sky chéile, faoi as na gréine, sky chéile, faoi as na gréine, sky chéile, sky chéile, sky chéile, sky chéile. Oh my God.
These are off.
More beer, please. Yeah, well, fantastic is probably a bit of a stretch. But I'm going to check some of the comments here. I think I'm on YouTube. I'm on here. It's very far behind. It seems to be like I'm still talking about our Sky Kayla here.
Oh, so people haven't seen us mess that up yet.
Oh, I am. Oh, that's it exactly. I'm not up to speed. There we go. I'm catching up. That's loading. Could be here a while. But anyway. Okay, because Keith, when you're about on home, because Yoma should be relevant.
Is your guitar in Dagad?
It is. Do you want to plug out my guitar and plug in your guitar?
Or
Or do
it's over there.
yeah, we can do that.
Take your guitar.
Oh, be the Lord save and bless us tonight and this day. But keep the requests and keep the comments coming in there. I'm going to try and catch up with a few of them here. Let's see if I can find the comments here again. Live chat. We're yes.
Can you see any comments yet?
I can just catching up with because I had to get up to date, but
I get you.
the internet is quite slow out here on my phone. But
Davey? No, he's not. Davey, I'm just about to plug out my mandolin and put it into the guitar. Or should I do it with the guitar line because it'll be more similar?
Oh.
I'd say guitar line.
Yes.
Yeah, cool. So
mute stiff on guitar, please.
Mute stiff guitar.
let me know when it's good.
Although unless people are listening to this on massive speakers, this is not a problem.
Yeah. It's just gonna be
Yeah. It's like a tiny pop. Because most people are watching it on their
Oh, what was
their phone,
that?
tablet.
That one dude is listening in from a PA system in the nightclub. and I'm like, "Ah!"
How's that sounding?
And that's the song. Okay, can you plug it back out there? We're going to change back over
Yeah,
again.
you can. No, we're done. We're finished.
Let's try to figure this out now.
I was thinking the very same. What key is it in?
We're very in sync, aren't we? Yeah, that one.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
As I was going over the Cork and Kerry mountains, I saw Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistols and then produced my rapier. I said, stand and deliver, or the devil he may take you. Oh, push your ring, abba-do, abba-da. Whack for my daddy, oh, whack for my daddy, oh, there's whiskey in the jar.
Oh, okay.
I took hold of his money, and it was a pretty penny. Oh yeah, I took hold of his money, and I brought it home to Molly. She swore that she loved me, and never would she leave me. But the devil take that woman, for you know she tricked me easy. Oh, push your ring, abba-do, abba-da. Whack for my daddy, oh, whack for my daddy, oh, there's whiskey in the jar. Oh. Tear and drum I went to my Molly's chamber, taking my Molly with me, but I never knew the danger. For about the 6 or maybe 7, ooh, in walks Captain Pharaoh. I jumped up with my pistols and I shot him with both barrels. Yeah, mushering, abba-do, abba-die. Whack for my daddy, yo. Whack for my daddy, yo. There's whiskey in the jar, oh. Oh, in the jar, oh. Dear, that's not the right word. Some men like the fishing, some men like the fowling, some men like to hear, oh, to hear the cannonball roaring. Me, I like sleeping, especially in my Molly's chambers. But here I am in prison, here I am in a ball and chain, yeah, oh, my showering, abba-do, abba-da. Whack for my daddy, oh, whack for my daddy, oh, there's whiskey in the jar, oh, whiskey in the jar, oh, mushering, abba-do, abba-da, mushering, abba-do, abba-da, mushering, abba-do, abba-da.
Woo!
Thank you very much. Thank you. That's a fun song to play. No, thank you, Davey.
It was all me, Davey.
For anyone who couldn't hear Davey there because he doesn't have a mic, he just said that my hair is really nice, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you, Davey.
Do you want to do a bit of trad?
Yeah,
Sure thing.
yeah, might.
Get the
We might do the old switcheroo again, Davey. With
oh,
the
no, you hang on, I'll do a bit of balance.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
No switcheroo required.
I actually like to do. Well, I think we did this the last time, but sure, it's 2 weeks ago now at this stage. So
Is it jigs?
jigs.
Yeah.
I knew. I was just like, Stefan would like to play jigs, so.
Jigs.
My G. I don't know if you can hear our crowd, but they're lovely. So give them lots of comments and likes. I don't know how you give a crowd likes, but anyway.
To Tim, Mike, and Jason's.
And
I was thinking about
Bridget
this.
Davy.
Oh yeah, Bridget and David. And Bridget and David.
Called collectively as JJ. Like as in as
I
a
think
unit.
that would be confusing because you think
They're
it's one
JJ.
person.
Yeah, but like it's the collective person. Like the couple is one person.
No, I
JJ.
get
But
what you're
then
saying, like,
individually
Oh, yeah,
it's
we're-
Jason and Jason.
Like Tim and Mike are Tyke.
You could be Jay and then Asen, so Jason. Oh. Yeah,
Jason
Jason
squared.
squared.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like it.
J squared sounds like a boy band.
It does. J squared.
J squared.
Yeah. John Joseph,
Yeah.
John Jr.
I know who J is as well. There you go.
Right.
Go for a few tunes.
Go for it. My hands are really cold.
In case you didn't get any Irish music in pubs while you were here.
Yeah. Probably didn't get too much actually. Yeah.
Did you get a bit of trad in the pub?
We got mostly American in the pubs.
Right.
Mostly American.
American trad.
Hoping they played 4 ABBAs right from
Oh, yeah. Well, they're Swedish.
I'm like, Irish? What am I doing here?
But I mean, yeah, I was going to
Yeah,
say.
we
it can't be-
love ABBA.
I remember, like, even.
Loving ABBA is Irish.
It's funny, like. I remember my grandfather used to, like, as in, he used to. Basically, anything that wasn't traditional music, he used to be like, no, I'm not listening to it. I'm not.
Yeah.
It's just like, it's all rubbish if it's not traditional Irish music. Apart from Cliff Richard and ABBA. That was my grandfather.
The golden duet.
Yeah, they have a new
Yeah.
tour,
Yeah, they're
hologram tour.
changing the name to ABAC.
Oh, that really tickled me. That really hit the right spot there.
Also,
ABBA.
Stefan, when you said you needed to go for a drink, I didn't think you meant you just needed to reach out, grab a drink.
Go for a drink is kind of means I just need a break for it.
I
just want a
want to
minute.
listen for a minute.
I just want to sit. Just want to go by the river and sit.
Oh, could you play Down to the River later? Bruce Springsteen.
Could
River.
have, yeah, could.
That'd be a
could.
great one.
Yeah,
Sorry,
you could.
just like you said, I want to go by the river and sit.
There's a request in here
Bit of the boss.
for Beeswing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Just use that one, or?
yeah.
Or do you need that?
I can
I'm
probably do that.
going
Very
to.
easy switch back.
No, I can do it like that. I think.
Cool.
Would it be nice when I get it with it?
I'm going to watch you this one.
It's up to you.
If that's okay.
We probably should have just put in another line.
No. Do you go for this one, Beeswing?
What key is it?
F.
Is
Or maybe I might switch back. David, could I switch back to the guitar? If that's right.
I don't think anyone's listening on the PA. It's fine.
Okay, so
Yeah,
just
mute
pull.
good, yeah.
Yep.
I think that's the key, is it?
It's the only
I
key
think
you know.
enough, yeah.
It's the key you know, then yeah.
You know what? That makes for a good change.
Yeah.
Oh, no, wrong key.
F. No.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
I was 19 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. I was burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job in a steamy down on Caltrum Street. I fell in love with a laundry girl that was working next to me. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Brown hair zigzag around her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox caught in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said, oh man, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine the bit the wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price in love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Yeah. We bust around the market towns and pick fruit down in Kent, and we could tinker lamps and pots and knives wherever we went. And they said that we might settle down and get a few acres done, fire burning in the heart of Babby's on the road. She said, oh man, you foolish man, it surely sounds like hell. You might be lord of half the world, but you're not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, as long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Yeah. We were camping down the Gower one time, the work was pretty good. She thought we shouldn't wait for frost, and I thought maybe we should. We were drinking more in those days, and tempers reached a pitch. Well, like a fool, I let her run with the rambling itch. And last I heard, she's sleeping out back on Derby Beat. White horse in her hip pocket, and a wolf found at her feet. And they say she even married once a man named Romany Brown. But even a gypsy caravan is too much like settling down. And they say her flower is faded now, hard weather and hard booze. But maybe that's the price you pay for the pain that you refuse. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, and I miss her more than ever words could say. If I could just taste all of her wildness now, if I could hold her in my arms today, well, I wouldn't want her any other way. Wouldn't want her any other way. I'm not so sure who requested that one, but that was the Bit the Bees Wing by Richard Thompson.
By Owen Orania.
By Owen Orania.
I think that may be the last time I played it was with Owen Orania.
yeah. By Owen Orania, let's see. Kev, do you know what I'd love actually to hear, Kev? Is a bit of Innisea, Wayne.
Last time I played that was at your wedding.
Oh.
Are you married? That was my right hand.
Yeah.
You'd know I wasn't married. I was
Well, you could be Pentecostal.
which hand? Pentecostal.
Is it
Or you could
or is
just
the
be-
Orthodox?
or
They wear it on the right hand, is it? Am I right? Anyone know that?
Could also just be a tradesman and not wear your.
Oh, yeah,
for
yeah,
fear
true
of
that, yeah,
catching
yeah.
it in like a blade.
Yeah, or a fireman. For a lot of firemen don't wear it either.
Yeah, lots of people don't.
Yeah, those people don't. A lot of people just don't wear it.
Especially people who aren't married.
Yeah.
What do I want to do? Do you? Yeah.
D.
Here's a slow one.
Mind if I give it a little bit of a tune here first if I'm going to join?
That's the like. Do a radio voice like, here's a slow one for all you lovers out there. Maybe stick a bit of reverb on that and I'll do it again. Okay. Here's a slow one for all the lovers out there. Feel like an idiot.
All you island lovers.
Thanks, David. Let me know when you're ready, Steph. And
Sorry, 2 minutes.
no, you're fine. There's just like a couple hundred people watching. Like, it's fine.
Being outside.
I don't know. I haven't actually seen it. It fluctuates.
Oh, be the Lord.
Some weeks it's thousands, some weeks it's hundreds, some weeks it's just Davy. So, sorry, the question there for anyone who couldn't hear was how many people are watching. But the comments seem to be coming in, so like
Alright,
they're
okay.
too far away for me to actually read them, but I can see new ones coming in. So
I've comment in from Chandelier Lavers saying, Kevin, you're awesome.
Thanks.
Loves the accordion.
I loves the car.
I
loves it too.
Kev loves the accordion.
I loves it too.
I loves it. I loves it. Can't really hear Kev talking, so next time you're talking, Kev, go real close.
the mic keeps dropping a little bit. I've got it counterbalanced with some umbrellas over here, so it doesn't seem to be working. How's that? Davey, can you hear me? Yeah, that sounds pretty good. If Davey can hear me, you should hear me, guys. You ready to go?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go now. I think I usually play that with you, Keith. Not so bad. But Stefan, you did a lovely job.
Sure, is he listening to you?
You should
Oh,
have
sorry.
You should have just played along at your own wedding. Could have handed your guitar up at the top of the.
There's a few bits I was
top
like,
of the
oh, I
album.
want to try it. And I was like, oh, I'm not so sure if I will.
Isn't it mad that you're married now, Steve?
Mm.
Isn't that crazy? What
Yeah,
a trip.
I
I actually
believe-
looked across at when you were playing because I didn't know the chords for one of the songs you were playing. And I was desperately looking at your fingers trying to follow the chords. I just saw your wedding ring. I was just like, God, I actually haven't seen it because I haven't seen you since the wedding.
Yeah, no, it's mad.
First time seeing you since the wedding.
Everything is just so different now. Like
Yeah.
literally everything.
Isn't
It
that
changes
true,
everything.
I sounded like really negative.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it. If Lisa's listening, I'm only joking. That kind of thing. I don't listen.
Good save.
No, like I said, myself and Lisa have been together for a long time now at this stage. So
Donkey,
You've
donkey.
been basically married for a while now.
yeah, it doesn't really change much, to be honest. Well, I mean, it is nice. It's nice to be like officially like married. That's kind of nice. That's a nice
Yeah.
thing. But,
And to be able to say my wife, that's a cool thing.
yeah, because I hate saying fiance. I hated it.
Really?
Girlfriend
Why?
was fine. It's just stupid. It's
Fiancé.
like you're making a
And
point.
It's,
It's a,
and
yeah,
it's a
it sounds
word.
a bit fancy or something.
Yeah.
doesn't it?
It's a word that reads as fiance. Just like
Why don't you tell
No, I
Beyonce?
was just gonna say fiance.
No,
I've
like
actually-
girlfriend was fine. You know, my girlfriend, that's grand. But my fiance, it's like you're, I don't know.
What are you trying to prove?
Forced.
What are you trying to prove?
Yeah, exactly. Whereas now it's just wife and it's easy. Yeah, wife is good. Yeah, you know,
My
that's
fiancé.
my
Oh, did I
favorite thing.
mention I'm getting married?
Yeah, my favorite thing about being married is I don't have to say the word fiance anymore.
It's better than betrothed.
Oh,
My, my, my dearly beloved betrothed.
disgusting.
That's disgusting.
Rotten.
What?
She redid her whole itinerary the second week.
Oh yeah, really?
She should be traveling.
She really should. Actually, she really should. We were sitting in Nancy's pub in Limerick, and the lads were like, "Yeah, we're gonna do Ireland like a spiral kind of twirl thing. We're going from Dublin to Dingle, then we might pop into Donegal for a while before we go back to Cork." It's like, what are you doing? And Lisa was like, here we go. Do this. Did you do most of it, or how did you go with it?
Pretty much all of it, yeah.
Did you get Mayo in the end?
Yes, we did.
I think
Excellent.
Stefan, I
Nice.
think this needs to be an interview. Someone needs to come up here.
Yeah. Well, how about the birthday boy? So, Tim, come up here.
Tim, take my seat here.
Get up here. Kev, and actually, do you know, while Tim's up here, Kev, go get a can and make him a can of
I will.
Super Guinness.
Super Guinness.
Make him a can. Make him a can of Super Guinness. Forge the animal. Have you got your Guinness can making kit? He's got the Guinness pint pouring kit, but have you got the can making kit? So we'd like to welcome onto Thank Folk. It's Friday. Tim Rousset. How are you getting on, Tim? Great. Dús báda Tim sláinte. Sláinte agus cíto agus go na lads eile. Agus an darna rud ná lá brethe sanna ghait. Happy birthday on Sunday, isn't it?
Yep, Sunday. I'll be 29.
29, wow. 29 and never been kissed, huh? It's my mother, you share a birthday with my mother actually.
That's what you were saying?
Yeah, which is interesting enough. And look at this, look, official merchandise, like official SL Crackhead.
Best
Yeah,
kind.
yeah.
There's only one of these in existence.
And it's right here in Kilkenny tonight. But all right, so Tim, tell us about your trip to Ireland. Is it your first time in Ireland? No, it's not.
Yes,
Yeah, it is.
yes.
First time. Wow.
First time. We did so much I can't even tell you where. We Waterford, Kilkenny.
Kilkenny's been his favourite so far.
That's because it's the best county.
We did. The only thing we missed was Kilkenny Castle. We tried twice now.
Oh no.
Oh, really?
We
Kilkenny
tried
Castle's
twice
beautiful.
and it was closed.
That's so annoying.
Just logistics was driving. We didn't get here.
Yeah.
I was actually I was in it about 2 weeks ago for the first time in ages. It's nice, yeah.
Well, you know, Tim, that just means you're going to have to come back.
Exactly.
Well, we're already talking about moving here, so
Come back permanently.
The Dingle, all of the scenic overviews of Dingle, that was beautiful. We did the Akil.
Dingle, yeah.
I'm saying it right, Akil.
Ackle, yeah.
Ackle, yeah.
Echo, thank you, Echo. It was great, yeah.
we
Yeah,
make
it's-
up our own words for things that we don't know.
Tim, how do you think we have them in the first place?
Yeah, amazing.
Huh?
We actually drove.
That's how we have them in the first place.
Yeah.
Taboo, but we were able to. It was not very busy.
That was Jason's job, wasn't it? Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
He was our personal chauffeur the last 2
Amazing.
Fair
So
play.
Mike is just have to say there. I don't know if you can hear. Mike is after saying that they did the Dingle Peninsula. They were in Achill off the coast of Mayo, or in Mayo, I suppose, and they did the drive around the Gap at Dunlow. And we have to big kudos to Jason. Cliffs of Moher,
Moorhouse.
Yes, thank you.
excellent. West Clare, fantastic. That's not too far away
Goes
from
to
where
show
I'm
you,
at.
in the space of a week, you can really see a lot of stuff in Ireland.
Well, this
like
was 2 weeks.
Two
it was
weeks,
2.
yeah.
I suppose it is
Yeah,
2
we've
weeks.
been-
Yeah.
we've
But still, you're
But
right
even
though. Like,
even in 2 weeks, you've seen you've seen a lot of
it's for that. I think that's the advantage of having a relatively small.
island
We
nations.
also
Island
saw,
nation,
we
yeah.
saw your hometown today. We drove right through Roscommon today.
You went through Roscommon.
How did you find that there now, Tim?
I was
Highlight of
I
the
was
trip, surely.
hungover and I was kind of trying to sleep.
You
I've
couldn't wait to get
been
out of it.
hungover in Roscommon before too.
Lots of fields here.
Yeah. Lots of sheep, lots of cows, lots of fields, and quite a significant number of pubs. Yeah, there's loads of us from Roscommon, but none of us live in Roscommon.
It's kind of like Ohio. It's a stepping stone.
Yeah.
Shapes have been
we
thrown,
like that.
shots have
We
been made.
like that because we like to keep all the Rossies together in one place, and then everyone just, You know, get away, get out. The minute you come into our scum, like, get out, get out, get out, get out again, get out again. We stay here ourselves, drinking pints.
We do like you have to figure out what all the flags mean though. Like,
Yeah.
For all the different sports groups.
Have you have you figured out what Kilkenny colours will be? You mightn't because I haven't been playing recently, so just pick 2 random colours here. Yes,
Nice.
yellow
Yeah.
and black. Yeah,
Black and amber, yeah.
amber. Yeah,
Amber.
yeah, yeah.
Why do we say
Yeah.
black and amber?
Black and amber, black and amber, black and
I
amber,
suppose,
black
yeah,
and amber.
True,
And orangey yellow.
true. Yeah.
Yeah.
That just means you go
So Kev, we've
Hey,
discovered
give him a gold
is
star.
really good at identifying colours in his surroundings. Well, Tim, are there any songs you'd like to hear?
I would love to hear Shularoon.
Ooh.
Shularoon. Very cool. Can we do like an
We can do
acoustic?
that for you. Yeah, I think so. We haven't
Alright,
played
let's
in a
do it,
very
let's
long
do it.
time, but
Let's do that. For Tim, we're going to do Shularoon on his birthday. Oh wait, Kev, how are you getting on? And here's Kev with his near perfect pint of Guinness
Am I playing?
presented
recording?
in a Smittix glass.
No Guinness glass. No Guinness.
You perfect.
I'm drinking the Guinness glass.
Did you see that we created a new game?
no.
Oh yeah, the H is it?
No, it's split the deck.
Because it's Smittix.
The what?
Yeah.
Yeah, split the decks. So
Excellent.
instead of split the G, we've started going in between the S's. So we've created our own game.
Fantastic.
Nice.
Well, actually, now that you're in Kilkenny, you're drinking Guinness out of a Smittix glass, which is
Which is fitting.
well, and like, but isn't like Guinness kind of mixed with Smittix? Is there like some? That's Kilkenny,
Kilkenny.
but that's
basically.
Kilkenny. Like, or
Kilkenny.
Kilkenny is Smittix with a Guinness
Yeah.
head, isn't it? Or pint of special.
Kilkenny
Yeah.
is a beautiful beer, actually. It's not very commonly drank,
It is nice.
but it is very nice. Yeah, you wouldn't have a whole lot of them now, just 1 or 2.
Mm.
I
Maybe.
can't split the G because there is no G. So
Okay, so what are you targeting? Is it the H? Is it the
I'm gonna
top
go
of the
try
W?
to go right in the middle of the S's.
Right in the middle of the S's.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
Tim, let's do it. It's off to a good start. Overshot.
Overshot, I would say too. Yep.
Oh my God! Got a little zealous on that one.
They shouldn't be up this late. They should be in bed.
Oh yeah, that was really bad. No, that was the new game. It's right under the bottom of the castle.
Of course,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
So under the bottom of the castle, that's what we said at the start,
That was
wasn't
the
it?
plan from the start.
Yeah.
Well, if I do it this way,
Yeah. If you tilt the glass, you nailed it. You absolutely nailed it. Right, so
this
we give
is awesome.
Shularoon a
You
crack.
guys are awesome.
Oh,
so
jeez.
glad we got to be here, and this is like 7th heaven for me.
Ah,
Like,
jeez,
we
Tim,
sat
we're
down
delighted
and
to
they
have
were
you.
just like, "You're like giddy little schoolgirl right now," and I'm like, "I am."
That's just us.
Well, you're very welcome to be here. We had a fantastic time with you last week, and
Sorry we got you all drunk.
No, don't be sorry
We're
at
not
all.
sorry.
We
We're not
very
sorry.
much enjoyed it.
Yeah,
Shularoon,
give it
yeah,
a go.
Shularoon.
Thanks for joining us, Tim.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Now you know, Kev.
Tooting in the distance. No, I did. Proudly. What key are we doing this in?
E minor.
What?
E minor original.
Yeah, cool.
I'm not sure have I ever played this. Actually.
For the go, sure.
E minor.
Once ever.
And then that's D, and then C, D. That's the bulk of it. Anyway.
For everyone watching, this is in fact the first time we've played together in months and months. You're essentially watching our first practice.
Yeah, and because the setup took so long, we actually missed out on the opportunity to do a few little run throughs and stuff. So, you know, we're here though.
I
We're
remember
here.
Right before we
Oh.
started, you actually mentioned, we didn't do a set list, and I was like, oh dear.
Yeah, but this is Tank Focus Friday. We don't do set
Exactly,
lists. We don't do set lists.
You know what, Stefan, you're dead right.
Set lists are for schmucks.
You've got a set list, you loser. No, also
Who's
just-
that? Set list boy over there.
I actually meant to say while I was in the bathroom, I noticed a lot of people have been on the PayPal, so thank you very much. Anyone who's given us anything on PayPal, keep it up.
Gaurav Milamagui,
It's
thank you
much
very much.
appreciated and keeps us doing cool stuff like this. So
We're actually, tomorrow, we're going to be arranging some more songs for the album, which is over halfway done, so we're very excited about that. So yeah, thanks for
We
supporting
can
us.
give the guys an exclusive listen later off the live stream
Actually,
to
yeah.
some of the tracks
yeah,
if you'd
yeah.
like to hear them.
But afterwards, we'll have to kill you.
Yeah, but the one condition, yeah, we have to kill you.
But the songs are really good. So, you know.
Right, you ready, Steve? Yeah. You're giving us our intro.
Shul, shul, shularu. Shul go socket agus shul go kyu. Shul go tares agus ilalam. Skuti tu en voornins lang. I wish I was on yonder hill. There I would sit and cry my fill, till all my tears would turn a mill. Escuté tu en voorningsland. Shul, shul, shularu. Shul go socket agus shul go kyu. Shul go dares agus ilalam. Escuti tu a voorningsland. I'd sell my rock, I'd sell my ring, I'd sell my only spinning wheel. Take away the sword of steel. Escuti tu a voorningsland. Shul, 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 shul go socket agus shul go kyu. Shul go dares agus ilalam. Escuté tu a voorningsland. Shul, shularu. Shul, socket agus shul go. Shul go dares agus ilalam. Escuti tu a voorningsland. An stad gan misnach a bhehan an tí-seo go chocht a chóir sa síl ardí an tan fi an na cóide an na spéide go lonrach agus pósan an star agus an dochas mar sin cuairde an tarú mara an tíomhá gon tíaltas céad sa gladach ja nachhfuil sé a géimein céad sa bhart céad sa tíochan céad sa dubar a lais céad. Shul, shul, shularun. Shul go socket agus shul go kyu. Shul go dares agus ilalam. Escuté tu a voorningsland. Thanks
Happy
very
birthday,
much.
Tim.
Happy birthday, Tim. Yeah.
Like, it's been ages since we played that.
I think
A
it's been
very long
the
time.
video since we played that.
Yeah, like I mean, I've done it a couple of times on live stream, but this is like we haven't done live streams in about 2 months. Well, like as in from
Yeah.
when we started
Yeah,
back,
yeah.
and I hadn't played it in that time.
There you go.
It's like muscle memory just kind of kicks in. You're like, like even like I used to worry about the little speech bit that I'd forget, and that bit kind of is tricky to play and sing, do at the same time. But there I was like, just focused on the thing, and I was like, all the words are coming out. I don't even know what the words are, but they're just happening.
That's because your brain is like, oh yeah, we did this for like 2 days in studio.
Yeah, straight.
Just go to
Over and
autopilot.
over.
I probably have about 2,000 views on YouTube.
Nice.
Nice.
I
You-
just have it on repeat.
so Tim's obviously he reckons he's at fault for about 2,000 of the views, and I reckon out of that you probably made us about 4-5 cent. You know, that's how YouTube goes, isn't it? Yeah. But I might get you to play one because then we gotta go look at Levis.
Mr. Honest. We might do the old switcheroo then with the
Yeah.
Luke
Soft
Cable.
guitars.
Yeah. Yeah. All good.
I should really learn Dagat and get rid of this problem.
Kert run Creek New Lugalore.
Kataman sure?
Bergnach Henrik. That's it. Well, everyone, I guess it's just me now. Welcome to my live stream.
I'm just gonna vamp on the accordion.
Todd. Keith's about to plug in.
I was about to go get the lead, but then I see that Stefan has very kindly left it for me.
Earlier, Kev said while I was in the toilet, I noticed what I kind of giggled at that. 'Cause you were never in the toilet.
I'm glad people can't hear you, to be honest with you. Right there. What are you looking to do, Keith? Song or tunes or what?
Fine Porter.
We'll give it a go.
Haven't done it in a while.
Right. This one's actually I'm drinking porter, so that's a good one.
We used to always play this
Yeah.
tune.
Flying the Porter is what this is called.
What did I say a second ago? I didn't
Yeah,
say
you
that.
said that.
Oh, did I?
You said exactly that.
Fantastic.
Back yourself.
Yeah. You know, I need to be more confident, Kev.
Right, 2, 3.
I was thinking the Please don't trip those wires. I cannot stress enough how close you were to tripping on that wire every time you did a somersault across it.
Yeah.
Right before you did it, every time you looked like you were like, yeah, I'm aware that there's wires there and I'm not going to trip them, and then you came so close. Every time.
I'm
Be
not gonna
careful
lie.
of the wires, and then you did a somersault.
No, and I tell you, the somersault was the safest wire
Or should we
wise.
call it a winter salt?
An autumn salt.
Autumn.
An
No,
autumn
it's
salt.
winter now.
Or
Today is the
Is it?
first day of
oh, yeah.
winter.
Is
Okay.
October the first month of winter?
No, it's not.
No, it's not. You're crazy.
You're wrong. November,
Well,
December.
I thought today
January.
was the first.
Give
of
me your
November,
keys. You're too
never
drunk to
mind.
drive.
I'm not driving home. I'm not driving home.
No,
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 it's not.
first of November.
I thought today was the
Davey,
first
not
of November.
even nearly.
January's in winter. Sure.
I'm getting ahead of myself.
Yeah,
I thought
exactly,
I actually. And I lost the beer.
If it
Did
was
I have a
winter, we
beer?
wouldn't be doing this
I
live
didn't
stream
have a beer.
outside.
It might have flown out of your pocket while you were doing somersaults.
We've established it's the autumn salts.
Autumn salts. Or as the Americans would call them, fall salts.
Yeah,
Do you know in standard?
yeah.
I feel this
That's
joke
what we
is
played in
expired.
Oh yeah, cool.
Could you
What are
hold
you
it for 2
doing?
seconds? I need to do something incredibly important.
Somersault? Autumn salt?
Please don't be another somersault. Could
Ah,
you
okay,
could you
autumn
imagine
salt.
the spectacle that would have happened if he had it actually caught the wire?
And pulled all
After
of the,
after
all
all
of
the
equipment
The
hassle.
monitor be gone for sure. The desk also
the camera. Everything.
gone.
Everything would
Camera,
just be.
there's a huge chance the camera would have gone too. Which
Ah,
would have been
feck it definitely would have gone.
It would have
We
been.
have to make this sound really bad.
It would have been very funny for everyone watching, though.
It wouldn't really, because it would have just went black. No,
No, it would have fallen and then gone black. It clearly would have fallen. Like.
they would have known what happened.
I just heard an oh shit.
It's like a hyper zoom lens, so it could have just landed there, and it might have just been like a real close up of Tim's face.
What's this?
You'd be like,
What are you thinking, Stefan?
I'm just gonna do a monologue now for the rest of the night.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
That one.
I'll try it.
There you go.
2, 3, go.
I went to the A minor instead of the C there.
Maybe it's a newer one.
Got away from it just to find it. We got a lot to say, so we write it. Yeah, we got a ways to go. Not the point, but we never bought it. We lost our way, but we never thought it. Yeah, we got a ways to go. Oh, na na na, we got a ways to go. We got a ways to go. We're gonna take it slow. We got a ways to go. How's it going?
No, that's the second line.
To get there and own it, yeah. We got a ways to go. Oh, na na na, we got a ways to go. We got a ways to go. We're gonna take it slow. We got a ways to go. We take a mind and we make up the plan to go. It feels so right with you here by my side, you know.
God bless you.
Gonna let it grow. We're gonna let it grow. gonna let it grow. We're gonna let it grow. 'Cause don't you know we got a ways to go. We got a ways to go. We're gonna take it slow. We got a ways to go. We're gonna take it slow.
That was a mental chord.
It was lovely though, right?
Was that like an E?
What have we got though?
An E sus major or something? Some mental
We
stuff.
got a ways to go.
Lovely.
That was fun. That's another one we haven't done in about 4,000 years.
It's like, let's end
Pretty
every
sure the
song with a caveat.
Velociraptors are the last to hear that. Who, by the way, were only size of turkeys.
What?
Jurassic Park got it wrong.
Oh, Velociraptors.
Velociraptors
Yeah.
were nowhere near the size of humans.
It's weird.
Really?
It's weird.
Size of
That's
turkeys.
the second time I've heard that
Seriously?
They were
fact this week.
vicious turkeys. That's what they were.
Couldn't have been.
And they were feathered.
I heard that alright, yeah.
Mm.
The size of turkeys.
Yep.
So like what? They were like a big
Dangerous
problem for
turkeys.
cats.
Flesh-eating
but that's
turkeys.
about it.
No, no, they were like, they had like, they're dangerous. Dangerous turkeys.
Turkeys.
Yeah.
Have I not seen like a skeleton?
No, you haven't seen any
in some museum?
velociraptors, no.
Not in a while.
No. I was in a pub the last weekend. I was in Limerick.
Oh, he was riding on a leopard. No.
That might have been a costume.
No, yeah. Apparently they were just the size of turkeys.
That's mad.
I saw it in a movie.
Must be true.
I mean, I saw it in a movie where in. No,
Do you know-
actually, I was watching a show and.
Love on the Spectrum. It was. I bet you it was.
It was.
It was. I know it was.
It was Mark.
Yeah, Mark.
Mark told me.
One of my favorite people.
Yeah, he's my favorite person on it.
Oh, Michael's mine.
Mikey.
I'm a big Michael fan.
I was like,
He loves Britain and Germany.
Britain and Germany. Yeah, it's two big interests.
I was fully in this conversation, and then something happened. And now I don't know what's happening.
Just basically
what are you
accept. the
talking
fact-
about? Who's
Accept-
Mark?
Accept the fact that if
The
you
fu-
want facts on
No,
dinosaurs,
see, the
Mark's your
funniest
man.
thing was like you mentioned that, and I was like, I heard that this week on Love on the Spectrum. That's what he's talking about. It must be. It must be.
Let's get her, Keith. You were
great show.
in this.
It is a good show.
It's, like it's
it's
so
a-
heartwarming.
It sounds like a show you'd be like, no, that's an
Yeah.
awful idea for a show.
Yeah.
But it's so good.
so good.
I need to
So good.
contribute. I hate when Mark dyed his hair.
He didn't do that. He did
Let's
love
play a song.
Velociraptors
Anyone
on
for a
any
song?
dinosaur.
Anyone for a song? Anyone for a song? Right. Any requested?
I think we've only got a few left, Steph.
So New World Jacobite is saying, so if they were the size of turkeys, this from New World Jacobite.
Yeah.
Did they taste like
Just
turkey?
like turkey. You'd have to catch one first.
I
I'd say
bet,
they're wicked
yeah.
fast.
Well, look, okay. Let's just come back to that logic for a second. If things are the size of things, they taste like them. Is that what?
I'm not sure that's how it works.
I'm not sure that's how it works.
Like I mean, a football doesn't taste like a chicken.
Well, it depends on the football.
Yeah, it depends on the size of it as well.
Depends on the chicken too, I suppose.
If
Anyway,
he's made of pigskin.
so O Rose being requested.
Oh yeah.
Remember we did like a radio version that once that was kind of...
Yeah, we really liked it, then forgot how to do it.
Yeah, then we
I-
never
I-
did it
I know
again.
how to
Instantly forgot how to
never
do it.
did
how
it
to do it.
again.
I know how to do it.
Really?
Yeah, and
Do you
it's,
want
it's
to
mainly focused around the riff. So let's just.
just try it and see what happens?
go-
Yeah.
go for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I remember thinking it was great. Narrator, it wasn't great.
Do an intro. Give me a nod when you want an
Do you
instrumental.
want A minor or B minor?
What you're about to do, A minor. Yeah.
It's awful fierce and
It's
very
not.
cold.
It's not our version really, I suppose. Well, it is, but
It kind of
it's
is.
not our recorded version, if you know what I mean.
No, it doesn't have...
No, but let's just go for it. It's a really nice version.
So how are you anyway, Steve?
It's kind of like the traditional version mixed with the pace of our version.
Yes. And the arrangement, yeah. The
our
chords, like,
version.
the chords. It's all about that F.
F.
Okay. So this one is for anyone who requested Oro.
I'd say your guitar could do it now tune, could it?
I think I just clipped it off this there and it knocked it out.
Music stands. They're out to get every
Okay,
guitarist.
all they ever want to do is untune your guitar.
I've always said that about
You
music
know,
stands.
they're supposed to show you the lyrics to stuff, but they just untune your guitar. Like, I mean,
You never can trust someone, can you?
way to counteract a positive with a negative.
Heavy on this joke.
It's like Family Guy where they really commit.
To be honest, I'm trying to make a joke happen while I tune the guitar.
How about you tell a joke?
Okay.
You're not stalling, are you, Stefan? I'd hate to see you stalling on a live
That's a good
stream.
joke. Do you have any jokes?
Oh, I have one. I have one.
What'd you
I
say?
told Bridget earlier on.
Okay, go.
How come you never see elephants hiding in trees?
Because they're too big to climb trees.
No.
Oh, then I don't know.
No further guesses.
Well,
are
I'm out.
required.
Okay, go on. Why?
Because they're actually really good at it. I got a way better reaction than from Bridget. It's a great joke.
Yes,
That was excellent.
yes. Makes you think. Makes you think. Right, I'm not going to tap that, so let's just go. Oh, Roche de Vau. Actually, no, one second. Before we do this, I sang this
You
the
talk
other
about
day,
the turkeys again, don't you?
and I like there's this other kind of way of doing it that I sometimes do it for the crack, but I got stuck in it, and I couldn't get myself out of it.
Okay.
So I was singing a different way just the whole time. So I just want to just sing it once without it before we start singing.
Okay.
Oh, Roche de Va. No, that's wrong.
No, that's right.
Va.
You're perfect.
But it's not.
Just do it.
It's not. Oh, Roche de Va.
Stop doubting yourself.
Oh, Roche de Va. That's the bit I was like, okay, we're good.
So what you're saying is it was fine.
No, I was doing it the other day and I had it as a all different way and I was like, what am I doing? Look, I'll do it in the middle of it and you'll be like, oh, that's what he's talking about. All right? And I got stuck in it. You know what I mean? Right, okay.
Don't get stuck in it.
If we don't know this one at this stage, there's no hope for us.
2, 3, 4.
No, we're just going to take this wherever way we want to take this. Oh, Roche de Vauwalle, oh, Roche de Vauwalle, oh, Roche de Vauwalle.
That's new.
En is acht aan touwen. Sheila van Balen, Bejar krijgt over ingeven die uigera, zelf meer lach. Zo deel to les no gole, oh Roche de Vauwalle, oh Roche de Vauwalle, oh Roche de Vauwalle. En is achter touw. Gronjo leg tacht haar soile, ogli armele maar gorte, gehele den is niet frank nas money. Is kunnen see de ruiger gole, oh Roche de Vauwalle, oh Roche de Vauwalle, oh Roche de Vauwalle. En is achter touwen. Wheelerine bhart go bheiceann bud a mí beo ina dtíach seachtain Gronne uile sa míle gas gíl Be fógart van gá Lóró sé a bha bhaile Lóró sé a bha bhaile Lóró sé a bha bhaile De sé achtan táir Lóró sé a bha bhaile Lóró sé a bha bhaile Lóró sé a bha bhaile And this share achtan táir fun actually, yeah.
That was different, anyway, for sure.
Yeah, definitely. It was that thing. Is that
I know exactly. You're right. I know
Yeah,
what
I
you meant when you
couldn't.
said
I
it.
just someone gets. I get stuck in it. You know. I kind of forget. Like I just naturally go there. Then.
It's okay though, like, 'cause then it fits in with the cards we do anyway. So
Yeah, I know it does. It does.
Like
no,
Like
actually,
Tachanassan.
problems.
Tachanassan.
Sorry, that.
Actually,
Actually, would you do that one I asked you to do earlier?
could it be?
Noun.
Could it be?
Noun.
Noun.
Yeah.
I could. Yeah, but I
You don't have to.
No, I could. Like, I just.
You don't have to. It's just what the people want.
What the people want. Right. Okay. I'll give it a go.
It's mainly what I want.
Yeah, it's about Kev really here.
Let's be honest. What I want is important.
Right. Okay. I'll try it now. I just need to get the little Kenish. Little Kenish.
Or the other one. Mods and Downey.
Oh, could do that one too. Right,
Either or. I mean, I'll be happy. With a bit of Chris or a bit of the boss. So it's up to you.
Right. Okay. I'll see if I should be able to do this.
Or both. Sweet.
Come from down in the valley, Mister, when you're young. They bring you up to do like your daddy done. We met in high school. She was just 17. We drive on out of this valley and where the fields were green. We'd go down to the river, and into the river we'd dive. Oh, down to the river we'd ride. And I got married pregnant, and man, that was all she wrote. For my 19th birthday, I got a union card and a wedding coat. We went down to the courthouse, and the judge brought it all to rest. No wedding day smiles, no walk down the aisles, no flowers, no wedding dress. That night we went down to the river, and into the river we dive. Oh, down to the river we ride. I got a job working construction for the Johnstown Company, but lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all those things didn't seem so important, just to enter there right into the air. Now I act like I don't remember, Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car. About it tan and went down at the reservoir. Now that night down Banks Freeway, and Portage closer to Felix Brett she take. Now those memories come back to haunt me. They haunt me like a curse. Is it a dream or life that don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river? Oh, I know this river is dry, sends me down to the river tonight. Down to the river, my baby and I, sends me down to the river, you're right. These memories come back to haunt me like a curse. Is it a dream or life that don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river? I know the river is dry, sends me down to the river. Oh, I
What?
After that tune again. The lyrics are there, so good old show there, Kev. Yeah, how's it going? How's it sounding? He's tauchty fós. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna do another one. It's one by a very just 1 second. Oh, sorry. One by an artist that I absolutely love. If I can just figure this out now. Okay, right. So this is by an artist I love. His name is Bob Marley, and he has a bit of Irish blood in him somewhere too. No, his dad was English, but somewhere along the lines he had Irish blood in him. Well, yeah, I think so too. Tonight we are anyway. I want to say thanks to everybody who's tipped us tonight in the tip jar. We really, really appreciate it. Who said I remember when we used to sit well in the government's yard in Trenchtown. We love observing those hypocrites as they would mingle with the good people we meet. Oh, good friends we've had, oh, good friends we've lost. Well, along the way, in this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, and no woman no cry. No woman, no cry. Say, no woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Say. You said I remember when we used to sit. Well, in the government's yard in Trenchtown, and then Georgie would make the fire light as if the light were burning through the night. And we would cook cornmeal porridge, of which I'd share with you. And my fear is my only courage, so I got to push on through. But while I'm gone, I say everything is gonna be alright. 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 Sure. Everything is gonna be alright. No woman, no woman, no cry. No woman, no woman, no cry. Say. We say, little darling, don't shed no tears now. No woman, no cry. Say. Yes, back in action. Yes. It's been a while. So this bad boy was a big part of our lives for a long time, so he was. Still is in the studio, but not as much on stage, which I'd like to change. I love this lad.
When we got the crack at the bottom, we were playing over in New York, and on the way back, he got cracked in the flight home.
Yeah, that was pretty shit, to be fair. The guys in the plane, or the fellas who throw the instruments onto the plane, literally just threw it on, and there's a big crack up along the side when we came back from New York. Yeah, it was incredibly annoying. But,
I'd say Davey on the sound there got a bit of a heart attack when I suddenly put Kevin's vocal mic onto the djembe. Hope you're doing all right over there, Davey. Jeez, we love you. We appreciate you. We do the tuner on that
oh my god, that means it wasn't going, was it?
for the whole thing.
Let's hope it picked up somewhere else.
But these things do happen, don't they? Was there no guitar for that whole song?
Probably wasn't. I mean, but who needs instruments? It must have been coming through the SM7B.
Happy days.
We haven't done this one with the djembe and guitar.
Yeah, let's do
since
something else with the
since
djembe.
Guidor. Come on, lad.
Yeah. Shouldn't have there Hussa too. When you started playing it, I was like, I just pictured
But you know,
the little.
with the Redemption song and Tom Shit. Near them with.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Did them with
Yeah.
Disha.
Yeah, then.
Right. Old pirates, yes, they ride by, so like to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption. redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Oh, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them are gonna stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Ooh, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, these songs of freedom, these songs of passion, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Yes! Yes, class.
Good to have her back.
Yeah, great to have her back. We're playing loads of songs I haven't played in like years. Like, I mean, like I played on our own, but never like together like that, like with the djembe.
God, I love this instrument.
It's so good.
This is the nicest djembe, I believe, in the world. And I don't say that frivolously. I've played a lot of djembes. I don't know, there's something about this one. This one
agree, I
Hand,
agree.
hand carved in Africa. I believe in West Africa. I bought it in a market in the south of France. I was working in France at the time. And the locals had told me that there was an African market. It's like a touring market that comes over from Nigeria, and it's all products from like West and North Africa. And went down and saw this thing and just had to buy it.
And what he said was, "Oui, oui, bon bon."
I did say oui oui bonbon. And I went down a treat. I'll have you know.
Woo! Take it for free.
It's yours. Right, what do we do? What time are we now? My neighbours must love me now for that. We're coming to the end.
Conor Warnock and Jim Parton guys are there. Cool.
Sounds nice.
Okay, John. What's up, Jim?
One sec, I'll set myself up again. Hello.
I wonder, is there any other comments here about what we think we could do potentially?
Bandalas?
Be Michel Strackles.
We won't do that one.
I might struggle to do Bonagla. Oh, I could do it in C. I could do it in C. Would that be alright with you, Keith? How? Oh yeah, yeah. All right, we've just got a special treat for everybody.
I just took my microphone back.
Should keep it.
No, it sounds way better with the djembe. Yeah, it is. As it was. Go back to whatever you just changed it back from.
Beer is good enough for the lads. No joint needed to be as good as Bob.
it's simple. Just do the opposite of what you're doing.
That's a compliment.
Do you know what? There's a few going here about bringing Davey on for a tune as well.
Going for what?
For getting Davey on for a tune.
Do you reckon you could twiggle through?
If that's gonna happen, it has to happen now. Let's go, Davey.
How are you on the mandolin, Dave?
Come on. Keith can do the djembe along with one of your songs.
We'll let Davey mull that over for this song and see does he want to do one after.
Okay.
God, my hands are just so cold.
What are we doing again? Oh, Bonaglass. Bonaglass.
Yes.
We have a code, like, so no, it's not really a code. It's just Bonaglass or Buy Me Time. It's just so what's somebody do now? No, that just means do Buy Me
That
Time.
was Connor, wasn't it?
Yes, it was
I
Connor.
thought it was you.
No, it was Connor.
What was it?
Connor, yeah,
I
sure.
stole it from Connor.
You're a stealer.
Well, I mean, I'm admitting it, so please.
Okay, ready? 2, 3. Tífiste as na bhunan cua arms ma anam telgi ag a spade na cosawan bugger I a muffing lean leis an minach ar a bhain ach hermutli sewan again a scalam chori sé go tile lemon ti her go choch a solis on man the air a bit of fun glass, lick 'em down, brewery, leis an tinnis on. Goni tilla, going smooth, on a brewery, leis an tinnis on. Ní mé an ferlach, mo hím go train, cos an tíl mar bhréig an túlgéir bhfuil fatís rivan leis ní mé an gadi, ní him mo léin. Bishop rock chassis phones got wet to click on Bonaglass lick 'em down brewery leis an tinnis short Goni tilla going smooth on the brewery leis an tinnis short tinnis shorts It's here our room, the straw is gone. Níta scacha gon a liad splunk go one. Shas fuil an arm, le bow is sayad. Ach the steen shall go meimen an a hoort sween. Bantim a glass, ni sheddy. Tá taisteir seo tíon go maith gon tuile deachreachtaí ag cuineál lom. Is a scuile íomh ach an chuis an níl sé ar nús mar a bhí sé riamh. Nó an chuis an níl sé ar nús mar a bhí sé riamh. Non cushion your share, sparavi sherry. Tinnichons. Gunitilla, going smooth. Now the brewery, let's on Tinnichons. Now the brewery, let's on Tinnichons. What am I doing? I don't even know.
You don't know Stefan, nobody knows. Yeah, so did I. It's like, it sounds very
It's
familiar.
definitely something, but I can't.
It is, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the perfect instrument for this.
What is it? That there?
What's that?
Oh no. Is it B, is it? I can get B, I get B. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, delícia, assim você me mata.